Welcome back, riders. Welcome to Wheelwise Joe, and in the next few seconds you're going to see why the new 2026 Honda TRX450R might be the ATV everyone's been waiting for. If you love raw power, race-bred DNA, and a machine that feels alive the moment you crack the throttle, stay right here. The 2026 Honda TRX450R carries forward a legendary name, and Honda clearly built it for riders who demand performance first. From the very first glance, this ATV looks aggressive and purposeful. The stance is wide, low, and planted, giving you confidence before you even start moving. Honda's design language stays clean and muscular, with sharp body lines that hint at speed, strength, and control. This is not a utility quad pretending to be sporty. This is a true performance machine. When you fire it up, the TRX450R delivers that unmistakable sport ATV feel. Throttle response is crisp and power comes on strong, making it ideal for track racing, dunes, trails, and open desert riding. Honda's engineering focuses on balance and rider connection, so the power doesn't feel wild or unpredictable. It feels precise. You're always in control, whether you're accelerating out of a corner or charging down a straight. Handling is where this ATV really shines. The suspension is tuned to absorb hard landings and rough terrain while staying stable at speed. Cornering feels sharp and confident, letting you push harder without feeling sketchy. The lightweight chassis helps the quad change direction quickly, and the overall geometry keeps it glued to the ground even when things get rough. Comfort hasn't been ignored either. The riding position feels natural, with ergonomics designed for aggressive riding sessions. The seat, foot peg placement, and handlebar position all work together to reduce fatigue so you can ride longer and harder. Everything feels purpose-built, just the way a sport ATV should. Reliability is another reason the TRX450R name still matters. Honda has a reputation for building machines that last, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. This is an ATV you can ride hard, maintain properly, and trust season after season. At Wheelwise Joe, we look at machines from a real rider's perspective, and the 2026 Honda TRX450R stands out as a serious performance ATV for riders who want excitement, control, and Honda-level dependability. If you're into high-performance quads and want something that delivers pure riding adrenaline, this one deserves your attention. Stay tuned because more real-world ATV insights are coming your way.